Hello everyone. The goal of this video is to show how you can use Access Manager to send audit event to a server other than Analytics server. So first we will go and check whether the auditing is enabled. So auditing is enabled here. And if you see this setup, it has one IDP, one Access Gateway, and one Analytics server. So if we go to the Analytic dashboard, you can see that it has 3 unique user logged in. So in this video, what we are going to do, we will do some configuration which will make Access Manager to send audit events to Analytics server as well as another Syslog server. And for that, I don't have another Syslog server. So what I'm going to do, I will use one server and I will just create a fake server which will be listening on some port. So this server is listening on port 1999. So when a user authenticates, what happens that the event is generated at the IDP server and IDP server sends the audit event to the analytics server. So the idea is to do the configuration changes on the identity server so that identity server will send the event to the analytics server as well as the new Syslog server. So for that, uh, what we have to go to this particular file, copy this line and change the IP address. Now, so this is the IP address 221.51 and the port is 1999. Let's confirm this once again. Perfect. Okay. After doing these changes, you have to restart the Syslog server. Once this is done, you also restart the IDP. And we will wait for the IDP server to come up. So identity server is up now, and we will go and look at the dashboard. It shows that there are three users are connected. If we see our server, you can see there are multiple audit events came, which is I think due to the restart of the identity server. So I am more interested on the authentication event. So what I'm going to do, I will authenticate one user. analytics 1 password. See, there is no event, and I will do authentication. You can see there is an event came here, and we will go and check the dashboard. This is changed to 4. So you can see that the audit event is received by the analytics also. This is why it is changed, and as well as the identity server. We will try with the new authentication. I'm gonna log out this, and I will use another unique user, and this time the analytics server value should be 5. This is 5, and you can see a new event came here. So you can see you can configure another server, and it will be able to show you, it will be able to capture the audit event and show you. Just we'll go through the little background that what is happening exactly here. So if you see, the concept is Syslog on the access gateway device like admin console, IDP, and access gateway. It is listening on a port 1290. But whenever you start application like IDP server, what IDP server does, it makes a request or make a connection between the IDP server to the analytics server local port on the 1290, and it uses to send the event on that port. Once Syslog received a local Syslog received an event on port number 1290, it just takes that and forward to the remote either analytics server or any other server. So just to see how it happens, I'll just do a netastat. Before that, I'll just see what is the process ID of my IDP process. So the IDP process ID is 21840. If you see the netastat of our syslog, you can see it is listening on a local port, right? It's the 1290 is making connection from here to this local port, and here you can see 21687. Yeah, so it is making a connection to the analytics server here, and also the server, the newly added remote server, which is this one. So you can see there is a connection made, but other than that, you see there is a one more connection, which is this one. This is our syslog is making from port number 1290 to this port. But what is this connection? So to check this connection, we'll see that this port belongs to which particular process. Okay, so you can see this is belongs to 218405548. What is 21840? It is the IDP server. So whenever you generate any event, whenever IDP, in this case, when IDP did the authentication, it generated one event, and that event IDP sends to the local syslog, and local syslog has received it, and it uses these connections, this one and this one, to send to the syslog server.